Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. My name's Casey and this is my Jeep. Today I got a product that just came in from Warren. It is the Warren Epic Recovery Kit. I'm gonna open up this bag and do a walkthrough and show you guys exactly what comes in here, because this is the perfect accessory for doing all of your trail recoveries. Let's take a look. Okay guys, let's take a look at this backpack. Everything included is designed to easily fit inside here. This is the heavy duty kit that includes the larger 18,000 pound Snatch Block. This puts this kit at a solid 37 pounds in total. If you opt for the medium kit that is rated for 12,000 pounds, you'll save a considerable amount of weight. The backpack is equipped with lots of nice loops and straps to attach accessories as needed. It would make for a great day pack if emptied. Up top, there's an additional padded storage compartment which could be used to move some of the items from the lower compartment into, or add a few extra items to your recovery kit. This backpack is also designed to be used as a winch line dampener. The pack ships with all its contents in the lower compartment. On the flip out panel, Warren has printed some instructions on recovery techniques and how to use the Snatch Block, Shackles, and Tree Saver. Going through the bag, first we have a set of Warren Kevlar reinforced winching gloves. These are great to use with either steel or synthetic line. It should be noted that these gloves are a size extra large, and when ordering there is no specification for a smaller size. Already pre-installed in the bag is one of the two dividers that come with this kit. This one has two nice pouches to hold each of your Epic shackles and prevent them from bouncing around. Each shackle is rated for 18,000 pounds, is 3/4 inches, and has this really nice durable E-coat powder coating on it. Next up is the massive 18,000 pound rated Epic Snatch Block. This is also coated in the awesome E-coat powder coating and constructed of forged steel. This thing is a beast and easily makes up for 3/4 of the weight of this kit. I also have the smaller 12,000 pound Snatch Block, and it is significantly lighter. Using a Snatch Block can double the pulling power of your winch, and also reduces the heat buildup and amp draw during recoveries. The Warren Snatch Blocks also have a greasable Zerk fitting on them, so make sure to take care of your recovery gear and it will last you a long time. No recovery kit is complete without a recovery strap. Since this is the heavy duty kit, this is the 3-inch premium strap. It is 30 feet long and rated for 21,600 pounds. The medium duty Epic recovery kit has a 2-inch strap and is rated for 14,400 pounds. The extra inch of width gives the strap the extra load rating. Warren straps feature a red warning marker to indicate damaged webbing. If you start to see the red marker underneath the webbing, then your strap may be damaged or worn out and it is time for replacement. The end loops on the strap are reinforced with abrasion resistant pads. Last but not least is the tree trunk protector. This one is rated to 30,000 pounds, where the medium duty kit is rated to 14,400 pounds. These are great to have when anchoring to a tree for a recovery and to prevent doing any damage to it. These also feature the same red warning marker system as the recovery straps. The connectors are constructed of forged steel and powder coated in the same E-coat as all the other pieces, giving all your recovery items the same great look. And don't forget guys that there is a second Epic shackle inside here. I leave a couple of these on my Jeep's rear bumper because I really like the look of them, and you can never have too many shackles in your rig. Here is a final look at the empty accessory backpack. It is made from ballistic water resistant materials for maximum durability, has tons of pockets, removable interior compartments, and a MOLLE system to attach whatever you may want to bring along. And don't forget, it can also be used as a winch line dampener. If you enjoyed this week's upload, leave me a thumbs up, greatly appreciated. I'm also uploading new videos every single Monday, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notifications bell. That will let you know when my new videos are going live. Don't forget to check me out over on Instagram, Casey_250. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week.